Hey everybody, Randall Kennedy here with Dallas-Fort Worth Wildlife Control.
Ray Golden here with Texas Custom Welding.
So I was scrolling through Facebook and I seen a post from the Parker County Center of Hope, is it?
Yep, that's it.
And they were talking about the shelves are empty. You know, they do a lot of help with the community. I think they give food when needed. Is that right?
They do food. They've got job placement programs, English second language classes. They do anything that you can imagine an organization doing for a community. Center of Hope does it, or they're trying to get to where they can do it.
Awesome. And so when we seen that the shelves were empty with food, we were like, hey, we could help out with that. So even though the economy's a little tough right now, and so we can't do a whole lot, but what we're going to try to do is get all the businesses to pitch in $100. If the businesses can pledge $100, that would help out tremendously. We're going to take that $100 and go grocery shopping at the end of the day. And we are going to buy all the canned foods that they're asking for that we can possibly get. So if you own a small business or a big business here in Parker County and want to do a pledge, we would appreciate the donation a bunch. We're going to drive around today and see what all we can get done to help out the Parker County Center of Hope.
Thank you, guys.